Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. If we are just meeting, my name is Kathy, this is my puppy Coco, and on this channel we do a lot of great projects on a budget. So if you like to create pretty things and save a ton of money, you want to subscribe to this channel. And I'm very excited to share with you because I found the cutest little signs at a Dollar Tree. Are you ready? Can you believe these? I mean, these must be the cutest signs ever. I know I say that every time, but they never cease to amaze me. Great value for $1. And I actually don't know which one to make first, pink or blue. Well, if you're my bestie, you already know which one, right? I'm wearing pink, so we're gonna be making pink one first. And we haven't done a grapevine wreath in a while, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And in my next video, I'll make a blue one with the deco mesh. So exciting! Let's get started. I got my grapevine wreath at the Hobby Lobby. With the coupon, it was only $3.50, which is not bad. This cute sign from Dollar Tree. Here's the tag if you're looking to order one online. Here's another cutie from Dollar Tree. Also complimentary ribbons. These are from Dollar Tree and Christmas Tree Shop. Floral wire. Of course, we're gonna need some pink flowers, like amaryllis or cherry blossoms or wildflowers. We might use one type or a mix of few. And some greenery. This is from Walmart for 97 cents. If you don't have it, just get some extra wildflowers from Dollar Tree because this is same type of greenery. First, we have to decide how we're gonna place our sign. And I decide to split mine and put the Happy Easter at the top at an angle. And then I use a marker just to mark the spot where I have to add the ties. To tie down my signs. Oh, I wish my grapevine wasn't so crooked, but it's okay. We're gonna cover it up. Next, I make the ties for my signs. I use a floral wire, a lot of hot glue, and a little Band-Aid on top to secure it down in all 4 spots, just like that. Next, I thread the wires through the grapevine and tie everything down. Next, I decide to add some extra eggs. I'm not going to use the bunny because I don't need a third Happy Easter sign. But what I'm going to do is just glue down some flower stems at the bottom of each egg and place a small Band-Aid on top to secure it down and create like little egg pigs that way. Next, I am going to create a Bestie Bow. For those of you who do not know me yet, the Bestie Bow is the simplest bow that all my besties know and like to make because it's so simple. Here I cut 6 pieces of ribbon, about 36 inches long. I am measuring about 5 or 6 inch loops, all the same size. And I'm just measuring and pinching it in the middle, holding with my thumb. As you can see, I'm alternating the colors. Just measure 5 or 6 inches, pinch, and hold all together. And then grab a long piece of floral wire and tie it all together. And now all you have to do is just fluff, fluff, fluff. And that's how you make a very simple and adorable Bestie Bow. And here I'm going to show you another simple trick. You have a bushel of flowers from Dollar Tree. You separate it in half. Like you see, 3 stems to the left, 3 to the right, just like so. And you put your beautiful Bestie Bow in the middle. Tie it down with that floral wire that's right there already. And simple as that, you have a floral swag that you can attach and decorate anything with it. Of course, you can use double the flowers or triple to make a bigger one, but just to show you, this is cost of $3 right there, and how beautiful that looks, right? Look, you place it on your lantern, and what do you think? Doesn't that look stunning already? If you like, you can attach couple bigger flowers over there at the top, but I'm not going to even play with it much. I just want to show you how easy that was in 5 minutes. You place your candle there and decorate it a little bit. Here's the bunny we cut off. And what do you think? Cute or what? Doesn't have to be expensive at all to make a big change, right? Wait a minute, why is my diamond wrap on the floor? Coco, were you crafting again? Excuse me, don't ignore me. Are you pretending that you have nothing to do with it? I saw your bite marks there. So I take my swag off the lantern and I place it at the top of a wreath. And that looks cute already, right? Just fix up those tails. You can bend them or curl them, whatever you like. And of course, I want to add some more flowers over there. So I'm cutting everything apart. Before I add the flowers, I decide to place my egg picks over there behind the truck, like they're overflowing. And of course, once you're sure of everything where you want everything to go, you can use your hot glue. For now, I'm just still playing around with placement, so I'm not using any glue. And now with the flowers, first I decide to add some more amaryllis over there on both sides. And then I add some wildflowers all around the bowl. How about a little bit in between the eggs over here? I have one leftover Dollar Tree peony. I'm gonna add it in the center of the bowl. And now I'm gonna go back with some Walmart greenery and just plug it in wherever I see some bald spots here and there. Please tell me, what do you think about the placement of the eggs over there on the right? Do you like it like that, or it's a little bit too heavy on one side? Well, I woke up the next morning and I changed my mind and decided to move them up. I'm not sure if it was a best decision, but that's what happens when you sleep on it. And, it's always good to step back and rest from your wreath and go back and take a second look at it. So I decided to add some more flowers. I have some daisies here. These are leftovers from previous projects, and some asters. And I decided to plug them in here and there just to create a little bit more interest. I also decided to add some tails at the bottom. I cut 4 pieces of ribbons, about 12 inches long each. I put 2 types of ribbon together. I pinch it and tie it together with a floral wire. And then I attach the tails on both sides. So it creates an illusion like it's running from the top to the bottom on both sides. And here you can see exactly what I mean. And I am not going to do anything else. I really like the way it came out. I'm going to leave the eggs at the top, although I like them at the bottom as well. Please comment down below and let me know what you think. Would you be using them or not using them at all? And how do you like the grapevine wreath? I really like it. It always brings a little bit of nature to the project, especially great for spring. Alright my besties, so this is it for today. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing because we have many more fun ideas on a budget in the future, okay? Take care guys, see you next time, bye bye!